Hello everyone, my name is Bhumir Sagate from College Dunya. Today I am at Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, Kim, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Uttam A. More sir. He is Associate Professor in Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya. Welcome to sir.
Thank you for inviting me this interview.
So starting with the interview sir, my first question is, being the professor of Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Well, when we talk about the leadership style, I will point out some of the things that leaders should have. So, like leaders should have the positive attitude, good communication skill, and creative thinking, and he should motivate the team members and give a timely feedback to the teams, and trustworthiness he should have. So when we talk about the creativity, always the leaders should think out of the box. Then the creative things comes, and that will actually make the means our team more work. And he should get find the responsibilities because whatever the success and failure is with the task that has to be handled by the leader only. If that qualities leader have, then we can tell that leader is doing good and he is a successful leader.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, how does the curriculum of Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College ensure the best practice of industry?
Okay, when we talk about the best practice of industries, actually our Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. So the whatever the curriculum we have, that we are following according to this Gujarat Technological University. Apart from that, the final year students, we have developed the skill development programs. Okay, so when the students they enter into the final year, they have to go through this particular skill development program, and that is actually benefiting to the students. And because when they enter into the industry, so that time they should have the skills, the industry what they required, and that skills we are giving to the students because in our campus we have the Ribosome Research Center. Okay, so the final year students they are actually taking the actual experiencing the what industry need. They are experiencing in our Ribosome Research Center, and that actually helping them to get the better job and the better opportunity actually we are creating. So that's what I want to tell about the best practices of industries we are doing.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, what would you like to people to know about your college they may not know?
Okay, well, when we talk about the people, what they don't know, because most of the things about the Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College they know very well. But the thing that I would like to highlight here, that is nothing but the little bit awareness about what is the benefit of the National Board of Accreditation and the DSIR approval actually we have. So what is actually the benefit of this National Board of Accreditation and DSIR? They actually little bit unaware of that, and I would like to highlight this point. And if they know about this very well, then they will select the college which is having the National Board of Accreditation and like this DSIR approved lab.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what do you see as Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College greatest strength?
Okay, when we talk about the greatest strength of the Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College, so we have the infrastructure, good infrastructure and good facility. Our management, they have given the good infrastructure and the facilities. And by utilizing this infrastructure and facilities, what we have the many research grant from the state as well as the government bodies, and as well as we are doing some consultancy project with the help of this research, actually the facilities. And the one more thing, that is we have the competent staff here in the Dhanvantri Pharmacy College. They are highly educated and they have the industry experience, and actually that is our strength.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what are some plans that you are currently designing for Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College International Affairs and Students?
Okay, so when we talk about the international students, so actually our college have signed the MOUs with the various universities, international universities. So like our college has signed the MOU with the KwaZulu-Natal University, We have the MOU with the Ulsan University. We have the MOU with the Lamar University, USA. We have the MOU with the Texas State University. So we have the MOU with the various international universities, and actually that is benefiting to the local student as well as the international student. In that particular MOUs, we run the student exchange program. So some of the students from our place, they go to that university and they take the advantage whatever the facility they have, and whatever the facility means we have, so that advantage they are taking. And the one more thing, actually our university is our institute is affiliated to this GTU university, and the GTU is having the one department. That department is nothing but the Department of International Relationship. So through this GTU also, we are sending our students to the different Canada universities, and they are going there and they are taking the advantage of that. And whatever the facility which is required for the foreign or international students in our campus, that we have actually. So this is what we have prepared for the international students in our campus.
Very well said, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the inspiring students?
Okay, when we talk about the suggestions to the young generation, I would like to highlight few points here. So the first point is that is nothing but the time management, and the second point that is nothing but they should think before they act, and they should be humble, and they should find the adult mentor, okay, which is very essential. And the next point, that is they should establish a set of values. So what the values they should set. So they are nothing but like the life, education, and freedom. If they know the value of the life, they will not drink and drive. If they know the value of the education, they will not threaten to the teachers. If they know the value of freedom, they will never do the crime.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such informative information about your college. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for associating with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.